Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we are going to review SYSKA AquaTrim ProStyling kit, model number HT4000K. So let's begin it. So guys, this is what you get in the box. Everything is there. This is your main trimmer, this is your ear and nose trimmer, this is your body groomer, this is your precision trimmer, this is your beard trimmer or straight line trimmer. This is the head to be used with this one, and this is the stand that you will get to organize everything neatly on your bathroom counter or anything. And this is the charger. This is a 5 volt 1 ampere 100 to 240 volt. You can take it anywhere travel charger, and if by chance it goes bad, this is just like an ordinary mobile charger you can replace it with. So let's get in the details of everything one by one. Oh, and forgot to mention about this brush that you get to clean up all the trimmer heads. You can clean it with. This is the main body of the T trimmer. This is the widest trimmer head you will get in the set. It has the on off button with SYSKA branding on it, made out of ABS plastic. To switch it on, just press it once, and switch it off, press it again. And if you are on a travel and you want to lock it, just press it and hold it for 3 seconds, and this will lock. Lock indicator shows that this device is now locked. If you plug it with your charger, this will unlock, but to unlock it, you have to again hold the power button for 3 seconds. And here it is. And about this trimmer head, it has a setting of up to 16 millimeters, as you can see. Okay, so this is the button where you should press this to change the length of the trimmer, like so, going from 10 to 12, and this thing will lock. But don't pull or push too hard on it, because it will disengage, because it's just plastic. Okay guys, so this is the, if you want to go for a complete shave, like giving yourself a nice nape, that shaving off the head from back of your neck, you can just press it and take it the whole thing off like this, and use this to trim. As you can see, I will show you on my hand that this is a very nice trimmer. See, completely cleaned off my hand. Then the blades are self-sharpening, so you don't have to worry about these blades getting dull over time, because these, as the SYSKA has said on their product description, that these blades are self-sharpening, so you don't have to worry about that. And to take it off this head is very, very simple. You just have to hold it like this and push it with your thumb, and this will come off. And you see here the notch, there is a notch here. You just have to match this part with the notch here and just push it down, and it locks. It's very, very easy to change the heads. Let me show you how easy it is to change the head. And before you start trimming, you should always remember that you should set it to the highest length you want, and from there you go down. Okay, never go from lower to high. Always, while shaving, you're giving yourself a trim, always go from higher setting to lower setting. And this is the widest blade. If you want to give yourself or your friend or your relative a nice haircut, you should always use this guard to get the correct length. And now let's change the head of the trimmer. Just push this button all the way down and move it forward. They should come easily out. Then you should just pull on it, match the notches, both the notches on head and the trimmer body, and here is your now ear and nose trimmer. To use it, you just switch it on and you just go inside your ear and rotate it. Go back and forth and rotate it. That is the correct way to do it. If you go straight in and start rotating, this won't cut here. And anyway, this is most probably will be used by ear and nose trimmer who have lot of nose hair and ear hair. This is for them. If you have too much nose hair or hairs inside your ear, it's always good to trim those because it shows that you are hygienic. You are not, though nobody likes to see your nose or ear hair protruding out of your body orifices. That's for sure. Now let's change it to the body trimmer. This is the body groomer attachment. It has 2 rows of cutting blades on both sides, and this is the foil trimmer. If you want, you can use it to give yourself a nice smooth shave. It's possible because it's technically a foil shaver, but this is used for your body grooming. You can use it while in the shower because this is waterproof as advertised by SYSKA. So you can cut your underarm hair, chest hair, or the other body part here you want to shave or trim. You can understand what I'm trying to say, which part. So this is the head that you will be using, and this thing will come out easily if you pull on it. To clean it, just pull on it. This thing will come out. You can always run it under running water or use the brush provided to dust off any hair particles that you see here. Right now it's clean. I have cleaned it, so nothing much. You can take it out, and after cleaning you can just push them down and it will lock itself. As you can see, this foil is quite flexible, so it will move according to your face contours. Okay, so let's check this out. You can see that there are small hairs left by the trimmer. Okay, this is what your trimmer will cut at length. It will leave the half millimeter. But if you want to get the clean look, you need to use this one. I'm right now not using in shower. It's dry, trimming it dry, but it won't be appropriate. But let me just show you the difference. Always go against the grain. In the reverse of your growth of your hair. Let me show you. Alright guys, let's take a closer look. This is the done by body groomer hair, and this is not a cut. This is just a still. I have something from birth, so, and this is the injury. Don't worry about it. So you can see that there are the tools. You should use the right tool to groom your body. This is your body groomer. You can, as you can see, this it has done a great job of clearing the hair. You can also try to use it if you want. You can use it on your face. And this is the beard trimmer that came with the beard trimmer head that came with this trimmer. This will lock it in itself like this, and as you can see, this is a little bit smaller than your T trimmer. Wait a minute, go. Here it is. As you can see, it's about a centimeter smaller. This is the and to use it you have to use this one. This part comes with, just push it down. It has 4 settings, 3, 4, 5, 6 millimeter. You can use it up to this is, I think, it's in 6 millimeter. and you can push it, use both hands to push it forward like this slowly. And this is your 5, 4 and 3 millimeter. Okay, this is your beard trimmer to set the length of your beard. If you have beard and you like to groom it, this is for that option. And this blades is also self sharpening, so you don't have to worry about these blades getting dull and injuring your hair or pulling your beard. Or you need to use this one for your precision trimmer, your beard trimmer, sorry about that. And this thing will work, this attachment will work on this one. You just have to remove it, but it's actually better to use with the T trimmer. Okay, this is, you can use it, but it's, if you have correct tool for your device, then why should you use the other one, right? This is your 6. When you put it in the first place, it will be 6, and then 5, 4, 3. This is 3. This is the lowest you can go. As you can see, the blade is sitting very close to the adjustment head right here. Now let's move on to the precision, and this is the precision trimmer that came with the SYSKA. As you can see, this is a very small. The head is very small, around 1 centimeter length or 1.5 centimeter. So this you can use to make a clear lines of your beard or your mustache. You want to give your mustache a clear trim, this is the tool that you're going to use. Or you want to give shape to your eyebrows or lines back of your neck or near your ears, this is the trimmer head that you're going to use. And this thing will run for about 60 minutes, and I have to say that I have given myself trimming in 15 minutes. I have used it for like 6 months, so I am quite happy with the performance of this SYSKA. Okay guys, this is the organizer that came with SYSKA. You can organize everything here very easily. As you can see, every slot is made so that you can put things here easily and keep them organized for your use. There is one less slot because this trimmer will sit here. That's how you're going to use. As you can see, this will sit here. You can put them here. I think this is the correct one. And here, and this brush will go here. And there is a small oil bottle that is I forgot where I kept. So that was with the kit, but it's not here anymore. You can just use any mineral oil, just put it here, and 1 drop is more than enough. And if you run it, just put 1 drop and run the trimmer, and it will be in few seconds it will be all lubricated. And please don't use the power when your device is wet. Always make sure that it's dry when you use it. And this, you can see positive and negative marking here, and this socket will fit only one way. As you can, there is a mark here like this. If you try to fit it other way around, it won't go. It will break your charger or damage your charging port. So be very careful with that. And if you enjoyed and think that this is informative enough, then please like, subscribe the channel and like this video and share it with your friends.